May Mendoza update. Rumampa si May sa White Lotus Season 3 Premier Red Carpet dyan sa Bangkok, Thailand. And kasama niya sila Sulen Yusuf at Kylie Versosa. And ganda ni May, kaya pala nagpagupit si May para dyan sa event dyan sa Bangkok, Thailand. Ito yung video.
She lights up the screen with her charm and wit. Make some noise for May Mendoza.
Yan o. Yan, tinawag na si May.
Coming up with Kylie Versosa. She conquered international beauty pageants and now the silver screen.
Yung naka-black and white outfit si May. Ang dahan-dahan ng paglakad ni May papuntang stage. Yan o. The White Lotus. Season 3. Yung premium red carpet.
Wow, you all look amazing tonight.
And congrats kay May.
Made it finally right here with us.
May kasabay niya si Kylie Versosa. Nasa big event si May. May nakasama din ni May dyan. Si Lisa ng Blackpink. Yun o. May Mendoza yan. Congrats kay May.
Up next.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more update. See ya.